Every organization is challenged by a flood of digital assets and users who need them now. Let's see how Hudson Yards Teambase helps you manage this flood of data, making it simple to be productive. Users who log into Teambase from a browser get a customized view into the asset database. In this configuration, the user is instantly presented with live assets organized by metadata extracted on upload. This Teambase navigation tree self-sorts by publication, issue, and status. To see a bigger preview of pages for the May magazine, hover over the thumbnail. You can select a different presentation that prioritizes previews or data about the file. Choose a list view and you can sort your results while seeing a file preview. Choose a view that's the most productive for you. When you find the files you're looking for, Teambase toolbars supercharge your workflow. The Advance button sends the file along the next step in its workflow plan, whether it's an approval, automation, or something that's tied to your business rules. Other basic Teambase toolbar buttons include download, upload, and sharing download access through secure email links. Custom buttons have no limits. The navigation trees make it easy to browse for files, but sometimes you want to search. With a Teambase info search, you can find everything that's ready and then refine the search with another term. It's all about searching through your entire digital collection to find what you're looking for, quickly and efficiently. As we've seen, Teambase is an easy-to-use framework for storing, sharing, and organizing your digital assets. But that doesn't mean it's simplistic. Before, we saw a single navigation tree dedicated to live work. This user can also navigate a publication archive by year, issue, and content type. If you have archives organized in other ways, Teambase lets you browse available assets by category or keyword. Product shots can be sorted by code or SKU. And this user has a query branch that looks through everything to present the specific task. Browsing to Queries Review Inbox reveals the user has an Acrobat shared review that requires attention. The Advance button sends it to the next user's inbox. You can also collaborate through collections. Select files and add them to a named collection. Later, you can browse to the collection, start a discussion, and share the collection with other users who receive a notification and an invitation by email. For varied workflows, deploy custom dialogues to enforce business rules, rename files, generate FPOs, and send work notifications. When it comes to system setup, system administrators will appreciate the robust configuration tools. Set permissions on functions and files by user class, file type, and even down to the individual user. You can set list values, add data fields, and filter the events you want included in reports. This flexibility allows you to grow Teambase as your needs evolve. Administrators will also like the self-registration option that invites people to initiate a request to be granted an appropriate level of access. New user requests are automatically forwarded to divisional admins who verify the submitted details and permissions before acting on the accessed request. Information about users, files, and jobs is available to select system administrators through a reports framework. Find out in real time about user activity, file storage, and deadline compliance. Whether your digital asset needs are fluid or controlled, whether you're working on live assets or archives, whether you're working as individuals or as a team, Teambase provides the digital asset management structure that keeps you simply moving forward.